Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Arreta Montiel and today I am going about an important topic. Today I am travel consult. It is my pleasure to tell that our country USA meets all Europeans. A country with a lot of diversity and culture. The United States is an unquestionably wonderful country full of music, fashion, cinema, fame, and a lot of diversity where you can appreciate and enjoy everything that each city in this beautiful country offers. Unquestionable, we know that the USA is a country that has a lot over us, but we must also know that the culture varies according to the place where we are. Each city can offer up something in particular and different from the accent to the climate. For years our agency has been recognized as one of the most important in the world. Every day more and more people thanks for excellent service in the tourist field. For that reason, we have decided to offer a customer and a pleasure discount for the holidays. This time the destination will be the city New York, Miami, and Orlando. The cities are characterized by having a large annual visit rate for their culture, particular sites such as the movie star, Disney, and its beautiful beaches. The trip will include the following aspects: a round-trip plane ticket, a comfortable 5-star hotel, possibility showering in the pools, meals included, a brief tour in the city and the three cities. They will be observing different places daily. If you don't speak a language, you will be assigning an accompanying and translator. It's a pleasure to offer your service. Thank you so much. Goodbye.